What's up, guys? Benjamin here with barbecue in action in the Grillin and Chillin.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Bakes food video. We're going to do some more grilling and chilling today. Today we're going to teach you how to make the perfect ribeye. So you want to pick a ribeye that has a good marbling. This isn't the best example. It's not too bad. In this section here, this is the really tender section. It's not very big, but we're still going to make this delicious by doing this. We're going to use just the standard steak seasoning, Montreal, Chicago, whatever style you want to use. It does have salt in it, garlic, whatever. So we're just going to get it on there pretty good. Alright, and you're going to want to press it in a little bit. Do both sides. Now you can just do salt and pepper too if you want. This just kind of adds a little bit more flavor. So we're going to leave this sit out for a little bit with our seasoning on it. We want the flavors to marry, and we want it to reach room temperature, close to it. Just helps the cooking process. So as a side to the ribeye, we're going to do potatoes with onion and green pepper diced up. And if you look down here, cut that.
Wow, how did you do that?
So what we're going to do is we're just going to add some olive oil. Give it a good drizzle. We're going to do basil and rosemary leaves, salt and pepper. I'm going to get the top here, and then we're going to mix it up and season it a little bit more. Try not to laugh at me now. And obviously the ideal utensil for stirring is a knife. Then we're going to want to get these on there first because they do take quite a while. Cover back on after you get them all seasoned up. Just going to bake it on here. It's not really going to be... You can do this in your oven too. You don't need to use the grill for it. And it's ready to go in the grill. We don't like to waste food around here, so what we're going to do, Ben is going to go ahead and take one for the team and eat this. Go, buddy.
Ben. This is poor man's ribeye.
Oh man, what you got there, Pat?
This is a poor man's ribeye.
What you call it? What is it? What cut?
Called a beef round, boneless, bottom round steak. That doesn't make any sense whatsoever. That's what it is. That's what it says. Doesn't matter what it is, just do it. You know, sprinkle a bunch. Lots of stuff.
Yeah, do it.
The more the merrier. When we're marrying.
Are you making a pun?
The steak.
Is that Pat pun?
I am.
For the pun of it?
For the pun of it. Alright. Oh, gotta be careful with that one. A little black pepper. I do like pepper crusted though. I mean, some good stuff, especially with a cheap steak. You didn't leave me anything, man. I would put some of this on there, but there's, you know.
Sorry, man.
I'll have to get you another one.
Yeah, you know what they say, last one to use it has to buy a new one.
You know this is looking phenomenal. Just saying.
Should we get a close-up of that?
Oh yeah.
Wait,
that's how you season a cheap steak.
We got this on the heat here and you can hear it sizzling. So you want to leave it for a little bit, but you don't want to leave it too long. You want to kind of move it off the heat or give it a little shake, but you do want it to form a crust. So you need that heat. Just kind of move it around a little bit. Probably about 40 minutes total on that.
Give that shake and bakes.
Shake and bakes.
Grillin' and chillin'.
Chillin' and grillin'.
Grillin', krillin'.
Beer.
2 things you gotta know in life. 1, aw shoot messes up a million attaboys. And I forgot the other.
Work smarter, not harder.
Work smarter, not harder, damn it. I mean, you can see everything.
Ugh.
Like, they're on this side, and then this is on this side. You can, yeah, it's. You want me to post it for you?
So the potatoes have been cooking for about 25 minutes now. They're pretty much done now. They're just going to continue to cook, crisp up a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and throw the steaks on. We're going to start with Pat's cheap poor man steak, which is seasoned to perfection, I guess. So we're going to sear them up here. You're going to want to sear them each, if you want medium rare, which is what we're going for about 2.5 minutes per side. And then we're going to put on our beautiful ribeye. We'll give those 2.5 minutes. We're going to raise the charcoal right now. Get a good sear. And get in here and listen to that real quick there. Oh. Two and a half minutes on the first side here. We're going to go ahead and give them a flip. You have this nice char here. Yeah, look at that sear. At this point, what you want to do is you want to form a crust. Good high heat, about 550 degrees, 600 degrees. And if you're not getting these dark lines, you're not doing it right. That's like cream of the cream. I know it's barroom because. And this is how you make coleslaw. Oh! Fail. Oh no. We're gonna have to eat it.
You don't have to eat it, shoot.
No. Take me to you later.
That fat and that juice. Oh, you can just see it on top. There's like a nice glaze.
Yeah, it's
now look at the cheap Pat steaks. Not so much. There's some, and they're gonna be good, but nothing like a supreme ribeye.
And a chicken supreme.
No, a steak supreme.
Okay, so we got 2.5 minutes on the other side now. We're gonna go ahead and flip them again. Go back to the first side you started on, but give them a 90-degree turn. Get that cross grill pattern mark here, and then just to finish the cooking process out. So they're only gonna take another, I'm gonna do a minute on each side, and then we're done. A total cooking time, 2.5 plus a minute, 2.5 plus a minute. You do the math. We're gonna go ahead and take them off now. About 3.5 minutes on each side. It should be a good medium rare to medium. Then what we're gonna do with the potatoes, we're gonna put them back down just to crisp up a little more. That didn't work. So, now what we wanna do, to finish the cooking process, we wanna just let them rest for about 2 minutes, and then we'll cut into it and see what we got.
See, I like that. That's good, dude. I like that.
So we don't care about Pat's cheap steak because that's garbage, so we're just gonna go ahead and throw that over there. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut into the, I'm gonna take this portion and save that for the chef. Then what we're gonna do, oh yeah, we'll cut that up. Perfect medium. Now if you want medium rare, you can go a little less, but there's that good little pink, you can see the blood kind of coming out. Yeah, let's go ahead and give this a try. Ribeye is the best cut of beef. So good.
So I'll pick it up.
Give that a try there. Ribeye.
Ribeye is the best piece of meat there is ever.
Thoughts? Alright, it started raining on us, so we had to come inside and finish the rest of this, but Pat's gonna go ahead and try this poor man's steak.
It's not a ribeye. Pretty damn good though. Darn. Sorry to see it.
What do you think, Winston? Winston. Hey Pat, how's it going?
It's excellent.
Alright guys, thanks for watching another episode of Bakes. If you like the video, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos, leave a comment in the comment sections below. If you want to see us make anything, grilling, outside, inside, whatever. Right now we're going to go eat the ribeye.
That reminded me of...
Okay, what?
That
I
reminded
hate
me
these
of...
things. I'm just saying.
What's that? What are you doing?
Trying to search a certain page. I won't drop names.
Face page?
These things, they're not smartphones. They're dumb phones because they make everybody dumber.
Well, 10% rule.
10%.
Gotta be 10% smarter than the object you're working with, right?
I'm just saying.
What?
Everything's at the tip of your fingers. You don't have to go to a library no more. You don't have to go do anything. They make you dumb.
Or if you're older, the tip of one finger while you're cradling your hand.
That's good. I did that.
I'm like him.
Yeah.